In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Notion. If you spend long hours organizing docs or databases, dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes and help reduce glare. Whether you are using the desktop app or the web version, start by opening Notion and looking to the top left of the sidebar. There, click Settings and Members. This opens a panel with a few tabs and personal preferences. Next, select My Settings. This is where your account level options live, including language, notifications, and how Notion looks. Within My Settings, find the Appearance drop-down menu. Click it, and you'll see theme choices. Choose Dark. As soon as you select it, Notion switches over immediately, no restart required. Pages, sidebars, and pop-ups will all adopt the darker palette right away. If your version shows a Use System Setting option, you can leave that for another time for a guaranteed dark interface. Regardless of your device theme, pick Dark. That's all it takes with the menus, but here is also a fast shortcut you can use anytime. Press CMD plus Shift plus L on a Mac, or Control plus Shift plus L on Windows. Hold the modifier keys. Tap the L key, and Notion will toggle between light and dark instantly. This is especially handy if you are working during the day in a bright space. And then continue at night. You can switch on the fly without opening any settings. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure the Notion window is active first. A couple quick tips as you settle in with the new look. Some pages that use custom colors will appear slightly different in dark mode, so they remain readable. That's expected. Icons and cover images also adapt to keep contrast high. And if you collaborate across multiple workspaces, the appearance setting follows your account, so you'll see the same theme consistently wherever you work. To recap conversationally, you clicked Settings and Members in the top left sidebar. Opened My Settings, went to the Appearance dropdown and chose Dark. Or you used the keyboard shortcut CMD or Control plus Shift plus L to flip themes in a second. If you ever want to switch back, head to the same Appearance dropdown and pick Light, or just use the shortcut again to toggle off dark mode. On some devices, an option to follow your computer's theme may appear. Using Dark today won't prevent you from choosing that later if you want Notion to change automatically with your system. Enjoy the calmer, higher contrast interface, and keep building in Notion without the eye strain. Thanks for watching.